Hey Gaipo, Tessl has been helping agents use open source libraries much better with context. People have known that for a long time now, but we've recently introduced evals. What is an eval?
An eval is basically a coding scenario that demonstrates that an agent can perform some action, a skill, or use a library on it, and typically includes the coding scenario itself and some scorecard or some means of judging how well the agent performs. So you can run that with and without the change.
And when we say Tessl has released an eval feature, what does that mean? What does it look like to a user?
It means that we took a sample of over 300 libraries from our 10,000 that we support, and we've created with agents these 10 coding scenarios for them to run, scorecards for all of those, and then we've run them with Claude. We support a variety of them, and we've shared the results so you can now just sort of see them on tessl.io/registry and explore what does an eval look like and what are the actual kind of level of help that you can expect.
Awesome. And why is this important to developers who are using agents?
First of all, it's important to us to sort of make sure that our context is actually valuable, and we've already sort of seen that help. Two is when someone tells us this helps agents, we should get in the habit of asking, show me the data, and get evals. So we hope we're promoting that trend. And lastly is we think this ability to run evals and shape evals is a skill that developers will need to have for their own content. And so we're hoping there's a bit of a learning moment for that.
So show me the data. Do you have any examples?
There's a lot of data you can find on the registry. A few favorite examples, we see how for PyPy's async standard lib, for instance, we go from about 25% success rate to about 84%. For Webpack Bundle Analyzer, we go from about 80% to about 99% success. And then we only published the percentage of the evaluation of how well can the agent sort of use this API. But what we've also seen is that we oftentimes make agents much more efficient, oftentimes twice as fast or fewer tokens. So we're going to publish that data soon as well.
And that's a huge deal. Hey, if you like what you're hearing, why don't you head over to tessl.io/registry where you can find all the context as well as the evals.